It's Blizzard Jonas, or Blizzard 2016, or Nor'easter. I'm on the beach in Atlantic City, and I gotta tell you, it is freezing out here. The snow is blowing. There is no beach, as you can see. There, right now, the tide has come in, and it's basically ocean. But this is what it looks like at 4 p.m. on Saturday here in Atlantic City.